Hello everybody. Today I just want to show you guys how to use the content aware fill feature in Photoshop to create custom canvas with custom cat. Now custom cat gives you a template. So I'm going to start off with my template as my guide here. This template I downloaded right from customcat.com under their canvas wall art guide. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to drop my image into Photoshop. As you can see, the image is not fully covering the guides, and then another issue is that I want the cat itself to print on the front of the canvas. I don't want it to wrap to the sides, so I want to I want this tail and the cat's face to fit within the canvas. And in order to do that, it has to be within this blue box, which is the printable area for the smallest size canvas. So I'm just going to turn the opacity back up. I'm going to turn that down for a second. And then I'm going to scale my image down. Move it. Just want to make sure that all the important content is within that blue box. So I'm going to go ahead and that looks pretty good to me. Okay, so let's just turn this opacity down some so you can see that the cat is now within this blue box. All right, so I'm gonna turn that back up. Now I can't leave it just like this. I still have to make sure that this entire template is covered with content. Right now I'm just filling this just to make it easier. I created another layer and I'm just going to fill it with a color that kind of contrasts what I have in this image. Alright, so now that I have this background color, I'm going to merge my layer together. So layer 1, which is this green color, and then the image of the cat. Alright, so now that is one layer. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the content aware fill to change this green color border to match the background in the picture. So I'm going to go ahead and use my quick select tool. Alright, so I selected all of the green layer. You can select however you want. You can use the pen tool if you like. You can use the magic wand tool, whatever you want to do to select this area. But yeah, I find this to be the easiest way for me. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the fill again, but this time I'm going to select the content aware. So now I have it selected. I want to keep the blending mode at normal, opacity 100%. Alright, so this is what I got. We're just using the content aware fill. See how the edges have used some of the background. Now for this particular image, I'm going to, right now it's fine, but see here how there's like some of the ear for the cat kind of sitting here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use my lasso tool. That fill onto the wear. And that should do. There you go. So this is what we have now. And as you can see, our cat is within the safe area of the smallest canvas. All right, that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to leave any comments if you have any questions. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye-bye.